Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So in this video I'm going to tell you more than 15 tips, tricks and hidden features of OnePlus 6. So if you want to learn more tips, tricks and master your OnePlus 6, then watch this video till the end. So yeah, let's begin. So first of all guys, if you want to see more behind the scenes stuff of this channel, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Tech Buffet. So yeah, so guys, let's start the tips, tricks and features. So let's start some features first. So the first feature I would say is in the camera. Go to the camera guys, then slide up, then you find this slow motion option here. Guys, if you have OnePlus 6 and if you are not using slow motion camera, guys, I'm saying that you are missing a lot, like literally a lot. You have to try this. Go to slow motion, you will see some options over here like 480p fps in 720p and 240 fps in 1080p, which is insane in my opinion. You have to believe me, like you can use this feature to shoot videos like this. And this one too. Amazing, right? So yeah, on that, hit that like button. So after that guys, you have the pro mode too, where you can adjust almost everything from the camera setting, basically ISO, white balance, shutter speed, focus, then you have the exposure option too. With that help, you can take amazing pictures from this camera and you can also shoot a raw photo with this phone. So basically it's a camera beast, you can say that. And the shutter speed option in this phone is quite good. You can take some amazing pictures like star trails and light trails of cars. So you can take them and you can make some awesome photos like this one. I have taken this pictures on 2-second exposure with ISO 100 if you are interested in that kind of stuff. So yeah, so basically if you want most out of your camera, use these features guys. Believe me, they are amazing and they are worth your time. After that guys, let's move to the next feature. The next feature would be related to your battery life. If you want to save your battery life, basically your OnePlus 6 or any smartphone which has the AMOLED display or OLED display, if you want to save the battery life of that smartphone, just go ahead and download this application called AMOLED wallpaper app. Just download it and you will find some blackish wallpaper. So after applying these wallpapers, they are by the way in really good quality, and after you apply these wallpaper guys, turn off lots of pixels on your screen and it makes the display black. Your battery will be saved. So yeah, this is a very good thing, and use this feature guys. It helps a lot and it looks cool too. So yeah, now guys, if you want more real estate and if you have the buttons in your phone, just go to buttons option and then you find navigation bar and gesture option. Go there and you will find this navigation gesture option. Just enable that. After enabling it, you can navigate your phone by some gesture like this one. You can swipe up from the middle of the screen to go to home, swipe up from side of the screen to go to back. Try it, it's really good. It takes little bit time to get a hang of it, but once you get the habit of using that gestures, you will be really surprised by how much real estate display you are getting with this gesture option. With that said, let's move to another one guys. After that, in the setting, you have this option called gestures. In gesture, you have lots of setting like long press to take photos. Basically, you can take the pictures from the fingerprint scanner basically. After that, you have flip to mute. Basically, what it can do when you receive a call, you have to just flip the screen and it will mute the call basically. After that, you have this option. This is a 3-finger screenshot gesture. You can swipe down your 3 fingers and it can take your screenshots. It's very necessary and very amazing feature guys. And after that, you have music control option. Basically, it is a screen of gestures. There are lots of screen of gestures, like they have assigned lots of words over here. When you draw these words on the screen, when it's off, then it will open those applications which are aligned to those words, as I'm showing over here. Like if I can draw O, it will gonna turn on flash, so as you see over here. So it's a really good and really handy feature. You should have to try this. After that guys, you have button gesture option. Basically, if you don't want to use a navigation gesture, so go to buttons, and in the button you have lots of customization option. Like you have long press action, double tap action. You can assign lots of customization in the button. So it's a really good feature guys. Go ahead and try it out. It will definitely help you a lot. After that guys, in the sound and vibration, you get this audio tuner and headphone settings guys. When you connect your earphones, you have lots of options over here to play. You can basically tweak your earphones and how the earphone sounds. Basically, you can tweak it as per your liking, and they have lots of presets too, so you can use it. So yeah, After that guys, as you know that this OnePlus 6 comes with the notch, and lots of people does not like this notch. So for that I have a solution for you. Basically when you watch videos, the video gets cropped. So if you don't want to see the notch, go to display option and go to notch display, and you have the option called hide the notch. Basically it has the AMOLED display, you know that, so it can disable the pixels at those areas, so you will not going to see the notch when you play videos. So as you see over here, there is no notch when I play video over here like this. So yeah, after that guys, you have the ambient display option. In display option itself, it's very good feature. Just enable it and use your clock style. After that, when you take your smartphone and lift it up from the table, you will get this sort of on screen type of thing basically. So it's a very cool thing guys, try it out and I think you're gonna love it. After that guys, you have another setting to save the batteries. Go to the display option and go to theme and select this dark theme. Basically it is very good theme, as you know it has AMOLED display. So if you can select this dark theme, it will definitely gonna turn off a lot of pixels, so it will definitely gonna save a lot of batteries. So yeah, after that you have this accent color option. Basically you can change the accent color to blue, to purple and lot of other color over here. So yeah, after that guys, you have this option to customize the LED notification. Basically it has a notification LED light which has lots of colors, so you can assign the color of this notification light. So yeah, so you can customize the colors basically. So after that guys, you have the face unlock settings. Like it's a literally amazing thing guys. If you have OnePlus 6 and if you are not using the face unlock guys, you are missing a lot. They have increased the potential of face unlock by a lot, and you should have to use the face unlock. Go to the security and lock screen, go to the face unlock, enter your passcode, enter the face data. After that you will have some type of settings, enable those things, especially enable auto unlock after screen on, and this face unlock assistive lighting. It's very good. When there is dark environment over here, it will turn the display's brightness to full maximum. So it's a very helpful thing over here. Like as I'm showing you guys, when I turn off the light and after that when I press the power button to basically access the face data and unlock my phone, it will gonna turn the display to its brightest point, so it can see my face in the night times too. So basically it's a very handy feature. Go ahead and enable that. If you don't know about that, just enable it. It's really cool option guys. After that, in the security and lock, you have built-in app lock over here. You can use the built-in app lock to lock your apps basically. Yeah, after that guys, you have this gaming mode. When you are playing game, you can use this gaming mode to block the calls and block the notification and lots of other things over here. You can customize what you want to do in the gaming mode. You can enable it while you're playing game, so it will not going to disturb you. Basically this is the thing in the gaming mode. You should use it if you are a gamer type of guy. So yeah, after that guys, you have the status bar setting over here. Basically in this status bar option, you can customize lots of other things. Like you can customize battery style, you can enable the network speed, and you have the icon manager. Basically you can turn on and turn off the lots of icons over here. So yeah, after that guys, you have the alert slider setting. Basically you can enable the media volume at the silent mode or disable it, and you have other things. So yeah, basically you have this thing, so you can know about the alert slider. So it's a very handy feature. The alert slider is really good in this phone. After that guys, you have the reading mode, which is really good. Basically when you enable this, your display becomes black and white and you can read the text very easily. Basically it enables lots of contrast over here, so you can read the text very easily. So it's a very nice feature, and it reduces the eye strain, which is really nice thing. After that you have night mode, which is the blue light reducer thing. So it can basically remove the blue light while you using your smartphone in the night, so it can not going to hamper your melatonin hormone, which helps you to sleep in the night basically. So yeah, after that you have lots of other setting in the home setting. When you pinch in on the main home display, you have lots of setting like home setting. In the home setting, you have this slide down option, which is really good when you're on a home, and if you want to see the notification, you don't have to go to the up top to slide the notification panel down to see the notification panel. Basically you can just slide anywhere in the screen and the notification panel will gonna come down. So basically it's a very good feature. You can enable and disable the shelf from here. You have the double tap to lock option over here. Just enable it. It's a very awesome feature. And after that you have notification dots option, which is by default enabled. And after that you have icon pack option. You can choose lots of icon pack like round, square, and you can download other third-party icon packs from here, which is really good. And after that you have home screen layout option. Basically you can customize columns and icon size from here, which is really good. So yeah, these are all the settings and tips, tricks, and hidden features of OnePlus 6, guys. And if this video is helpful to you in any manner, hit that like button and share this video with your friend who has any OnePlus devices. Basically these tips are gonna work in any OnePlus device, so please share this video with your friends who has OnePlus devices. And if you want to purchase this device, guys, I will leave a best buy link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you do like this video. If you did, then hit that like button as I said. So after that, thank you so much for watching. By the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button with that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one and many more awesome videos like this one. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.